Firstly, I'm not a singer. Huh? Okay, I'm a bathroom singer.
You are now.
Huh?
You better now.
Firstly, okay, yeah, it was very exciting for me. I never thought we would actually go through with it. Imtiaz mentioned it to me, so yeah, we'll do it. No, let's do it. And then I said, okay, yeah, we'll try. And then finally, I was in Rahman sir's studio and I was messing up and I had this outer body experience that, oh my God, I'm in A.R. Rahman studio. What are you doing? You can't be messing up. So, we didn't rehearse much. I went twice. We spent quite a lot of time. And Rahman sir was very patient with me, which I am truly grateful for, because that really stopped me from going home and screaming in the pillow. I think that, you know, the kind of experience you don't really think you'll have in your life. I always knew, okay, chalo, I'll act. Somehow I'll act. But this experience you never really think is going to happen. And it did. So then if I fail as an actor, I can become a singer. I've changed fully. I'm not the same person, I would say. You know, this was that kind of experience that when I try to explain to people, they don't understand. I say, you know, you don't understand. I connected with myself. I've had this experience. You know, everybody goes through a time where they find themselves. I found myself. You all don't get it, and no one has got it. Like, nobody understands what this is for me. And I've said it 1,000 times before that I actually want to live this life. I want to go back. I want to go through the motion again. In fact, we had like a month after the shoot. I was free. I told Imtiaz that, you know, let's shoot the film again. And I got a bit of it again, but I'm still not satisfied. So I've told Imtiaz that he can't leave me at this peak, so he has to take it forward someday. But Highway is not just a film for me. It's my story. But obviously, I'm playing a character, but you do tend to do things naturally sometimes, which comes naturally to you, so that has a little glimpse of you. But I would say that there are a lot of parts in a Highway where I'm not probably myself, but I'm Veera slash Alia. You know what I mean? Like, just kind of eating up Alia. Veera's eating up Alia, yeah. That's it. Loving experience.
Learning.
Yeah, thank God.
He must have guided you.
No, of course, he was. I was fully dependent on him, and he's always, like, obviously he's my director, so he will guide me. And learning experience, yeah, the whole thing was a learning experience from start to finish. Special tips. Everything was a tip only, because I didn't know what I was doing, but. I was having a lot of trouble sustaining my breath because I'm not used to singing, and one thing was the thing that whenever there would be music playing behind me, I wouldn't sing, so I would always ask Rahman sir, can you put the music off? Can I sing without the music? And he'll say, are you sure? I said, yeah, but he would still let me try, as I said.
I think to pull it off is a very difficult track. It needs, you can sing a fast song easier, and slow, sustained songs. Maintaining a pitch is difficult, and I think you pull it off very well.
Thank you, sir.